What if I told you that you could start making tens of thousands of dollars each month at home, doing print on demand? You don't need to have the capital or even an actual product in hand. In this video, I'll show you exactly what you need to know to launch a successful print-on-demand business and make 6 figures a year. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll teach you how to start from scratch and I will explain how to get this to work. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. For those who are unfamiliar, a print-on-demand business can generate revenue quickly and at a cheap initial investment. You employ a print-on-demand service such as Printify to make designs, which you then translate to merchandise and sell through marketplaces like Etsy. To top it off, this is all done automatically. There is no need to handle actual goods. The cost is minimal, and even a unique website isn't necessary because we will be relying on Etsy's established customers. On average, almost 530 million people per month go to the site. A decent name is the first step in launching a successful business, and namelicks.com can help you do just that. Basically, it uses artificial intelligence to help you come up with business names that people will remember. Simply enter some relevant keywords for your company and press the generate button. Next, you have to select the name style, select how random you want your selection to be, and then lastly, the brand information. Namelicks will now provide a variety of suggestions for your new name. Pick the one that works best for you. If you'd like, you can provide a summary of your company as well. After that, the site will generate a huge list of possible names for your company. And what I appreciate about it is that it shows us some possible variations on the logo. I'm essentially just looking at random names in the hopes of finding one I like. When you put your mouse pointer over a name, you'll get more information about them to help you decide if they're a good fit for your company. And now that I've settled on a name, I'm going to Etsy.com, where I will look for the link that says Sell on Etsy at the very end of the page. To open up shop, you will need to answer a few questions on this page. But before we continue, make sure you've liked this video by giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more of the easiest ways to earn money online. Now, let's keep going. Next, I'll walk over to Printify.com and sign up for an account after I've set up on my Etsy shop. Printify is a free print-on-demand service that lets you not only design and create products, but also quickly integrates them with marketplaces like Etsy, Shopify, Squarespace, and even Walmart. In this video, I'll show you how to pull this plan into action and start making money right away. Printify takes care of everything for us, from beginning to end. We don't have to handle any of the products we sell at all. Once you've signed up, it's time to think about what you will be selling and how it will look. This is going to be a critical phase since you only want to sell items that are selling well, unless you want to waste your time. Therefore, it will be important to select the correct product to offer, and we will need to market things that are visually appealing to really get people to buy them. I will show you the ropes and lay out a detailed plan for making money on Printify by selling t-shirts. It all starts with developing a marketable product. It's important to research successful designs that sell well. So, to begin choosing the best things to sell, visit Printify and hover over Catalog to explore the many choices in an accessible way. So that includes t-shirts, other garments, and accessories like phone covers, hats, mugs, pillows, and so on. You're just going through the catalog and selecting 5 to 10 items you believe would sell. The next step is to sign up for a free account on the website etsyhunt.com and then click here on products and then Etsy product database. One significant limitation is that you may only perform 10 product searches per day with a free edition of this service. Furthermore, each time you adjust one of these filters, for instance, by selecting the best sellers option, this is considered a search. Just exercise extreme caution when working with this tool. From here on out, all the items on your list will be filtered one by one and entered into the same search bar. Socks, for instance, are the very first item on our list, and since we're launching a print-on-demand business, I'll just type printed socks into the search field, so we are selling things with real prints on them. What we can learn about the product, its pricing, its sales volume over the past week, and its overall sales volume may all be gathered from this page, in which case, these 3 pieces of data will be important. Simply repeat this process across all of your products. Look up the product on Etsy and see how popular it is before deciding if you want to put it in the effort to sell something similar. There is no need to spend days upon days agonizing over finding the perfect product when there is no such thing as a perfect product. We're just searching for something we know will sell well and have a decent amount of demand. There are a lot of these kinds of products on the market, and t-shirts are one that I've noticed is in very high demand. You'll discover that many of these items come from the same seller. You can see for yourself that they have sold over 100,000 items by visiting their Etsy shop. Before we move on, let us know your experience in building your very first print-on-demand shop by leaving a comment below. Also, tell us which country you're watching this video from. We appreciate learning about your experience. Now, let's go back. Now that we know we're going to be selling t-shirts, let's talk about how we are going to design them, even though you don't have any design experience. I'll be honest and say that it can be challenging to come up with the designs because they need to be as original and imaginative as possible. However, while designing the shirts or anything else you're selling, you want to make sure there's something people will want to buy. For this, you won't need any special equipment or scientific knowledge. Going to Etsy and searching for the name of the product you want to sell is all there is to it. Example, t-shirts, and you're going to browse the site to check out the various styles available. There's nothing fancy about this. You can determine how well a product is selling simply by looking at the number of reviews it has. We're just taking a look at the information we have at hand and expanding from there. Basically, all you're doing is navigating through Etsy, page by page, and taking notes on the various layouts you come across. Then we can use the total number of 5-star ratings to get a sense of what's popular and use that information to inform our decisions about which designs to pursue. Alternatively, perhaps you wish to introduce the world to a truly original creation of your own invention. Then you might as well try to sell it on this site. You can play around with various layouts and implementations to figure out what works best. T-shirts with text, images, or other aesthetic designs can be sold here. Visiting websites like Pinterest and Dribbble dedicated to providing design inspirations is another excellent method of generating new ideas. You can look for things like text layout designs or maps. Moreover, if you look into these details, you will discover a wide variety of new visually pleasing approaches to text layout. These can be made in a variety of ways, some of which are similar to the processes used to make t-shirts out of textiles. A transparent PNG file can be exported from Canva or Photoshop and then imported into Printify. You can choose between uploading your image and having it printed on a t-shirt or utilizing their t-shirt design tool. If you want to make people laugh while wearing your t-shirts, you might try to come up with creative quotes or funny slogans. The greater your inventory, the greater your market presence. More sales will follow naturally from that. If we want to compete with the best Etsy t-shirt sellers who each have hundreds of product pages, we will need to stock up on a wide variety of goods. So that's how you can start earning from home with zero money spent on products to sell. Print on demand can really bring you success once you've hit the right products. Have you successfully created your store? What products are you planning to sell? We'll see you in the comments. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.